Good morning, everybody. I look terrible. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. I decided I was gonna take you guys around with me today. I thought that would be fun and a new idea that's never been done before. I think it'll be fun and new and fresh and new. You guys saw earlier today I went really early. I never wake up that early, at like 8:30. Oh my god, I've been doing Orange Theory for like I don't know how long, not very long, but like I've been going to like I think like 15 classes, and it is so hard. It's been kicking my butt, but like it's a lot of fun, and like I find it hard to like motivate myself to work out if I'm not like being pushed by somebody. And I really like the instructors at the place here where I go to school, so it's been a lot of fun, and I've been doing that like almost every day during the week. And then I came home, I did a body shower because I washed my hair yesterday and straightened it, but I need to like touch it up and straighten it again today because that's just how hair does. But let's come up with a tripod. Perfect. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Well, as of right now I should probably do something with my appearance, but I'm not going to, so maybe I'll start my homework assignment that's due in my computer's dead in 3 hours that I need to finish, and I take a quiz. Stressful. Today my goal is to get whatever done that I need to do that I don't know what I need to do. So figure that out, do it, and then go to class, and then oh my god, this is the last week that we have that sing thing that I talked about earlier, and if you don't know what that is, foreshadowing to the future of this vlog, you'll see it. But we have practice literally 8 to 10 p.m. So thank you to whoever hacked my school email. I just wanted to give you a quick shout out. That was really cool of you to do. Changed my name, my address, a lot of different things that I had to talk to a kind lady about. Update, I got a 75% on my quiz, so C's get degrees and I'm gonna make a snack. Hello, I'm back. I made 2 pieces of peanut butter toast. So I'm gonna eat that and try and figure out what I'm supposed to do. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. I decided that I'll do my homework maybe later. It's only 12:20. I got time. Mukbang. Okay, I'm back. It's been an hour, and I finally decided to start something. I finally understand what I'm supposed to do for my class, but my assignment is literally coming up with a TV show. If I was to have a TV show idea, I would be in film school or in Hollywood. So, Alexa, you're in one right now.
No way.
I am sweating and I'm trying to drive. Some substantial time has passed, bump, since we last talked. I'm picking up my friend from Austin right now. She's sitting right here. Let's see if she notices that I'm just waiting. And then we have class, so wahoo, take you guys along. Hi Mackenzie.
Hi!
Welcome to my vlog.
This is exciting.
Okay, so it's me again, better known as the worst vlogger in the history of vlogs. I went to class. I'm being scholarly and stuff, but now I'm gonna go get a smoothie from the dorms because Mackenzie still has dorm money and I don't have real money, so just girly things, just college things. Madeline, your car sounds like it's gonna explode.
Yeah, Kyle!
Thanks, Mom.
You did amazing.
I'm sweating a lot.
Yeah, Kyle!
I don't know how
dancing?
these kids do it. I don't know how these kids do it.
We're at sing practice if you didn't know. A happy day in the life of Madeline's video.
Day in the life. I'm in Madeline's life.
So true, every day. Okay, bye.
Bye.
This is the end of my night.
In Kappa's staircase.
And for the ghost to come and get us. But we just got back from sing practice. Now we're gonna go hang out with some of them in their dorm. So we're gonna end it here.
Good night.
Thanks for watching.